Hello viewers, this is David Tripura and welcome to my YouTube channel. So friends, after a long time I came in from the camera once again. The reason is that I'm gonna bring some changes like the content or my channel names. My subscriber, already my channel name it was Tongthokma TV. Now already I have renamed it. I have changed my channel name. I have renamed it with my own name. It's David Tripura. You can check out in the down. So and the content, most of my video which I have been uploaded, all are regarding the content are from different schools, functions, program, or the culture programs. Some are gospel songs. Okay, these all are mixed up. So this all content I collect from the program, schools program, from different functions. Okay, so you know that since from last year 2020 and this year, because of the pandemic, so whole worlds are suffering now, and also because of the lockdown, all the schools has been closed. So no any programs, any culture show are not functioning. So that's why I did not get any content to upload in my own channels. So that is the reasons why I cannot grow up my channel. Okay, so that's why I have changed my mind that I'm gonna change the content. So in order to upload regular videos, so I have planned now. I'm gonna upload now my day-to-day personal life. So I'll make blogging video. I'll upload from now onwards. It may be a blogging video or travel video. Okay, which will be related to my personal life. Nai khazane takute bukurna ani subscriber ma narona ani YouTube channel ni angwai khabani hangzoma te siba yafaro. Tini te waisa ang ani camera baskang phamane karon lai ang ani YouTube channel ni content te kisu jinis te ang tini sani bai ang phamane karon bakhla ani channel ni mung already ang change khlaijak sakang tongo nokto sia Tongthokma TV ani channel tabok ani mung David Tripura ang change khlaijak age ang je video content upload khlane maximum video ha ni culture program ro mane schools ni program masamang rock different program ni ma je dancing bo gospel song bo tongo secular song bo tongo mix up khlai tabo ang onek din hoi video upload khlaimia karon la noksiat 2020 2021 joto pandemic yani karnai lockdown different program rock mane shutdown on karon ang content ang manlia binime upload khlaimia binibai ang wansoha ani subscribers ani viewers on ang regular video bongno phunani bagai nobai ang touch toni bagai bini bagai ang content ang jualnai boha ani day to day life related blogging video samnai na wanso hala blogging video khlai upload khlainai hala te travel video rok aba amahai rok ang content samai upload khlainai. So now I'll make blogging video, travel video. So on my blogging video, what language I will use? So I have decided if I use Kokborok, my own dialect, it will be exist within only the Kokborok speaking people, right? And if I use Bengali, it will be within the Tripura or West Bengal, those who are Bengali speaking people. So I have decided in my vlogging video, as much as possible, I will use Hindi because Hindi it is a national language. It's means all over India people can understand. So personally, I am not good in Hindi, but I will try my level best. So because in my subscriber, I have seen there are some subscriber which is from Northeast, like some are Boro, some are from Arunachal. Okay, so if I speak Bengali, they may not understand. If I speak Kokborok also, they may not understand. So, the blog video which I'm gonna shoot on that blog video, I'll use Hindi. Okay. Ang je blog video khlainai bwskango travel video ang sira Hindi use khlainai ang Kokborok te English use khlaija. Tani hanlai Bengali use khlai Bangla sanai ni missing bo bujinai Kokborok khlaiba Kokborok sanai missing bujinai. Hindi samane karon halai chini whole Northeast whole India bong bujiyo tani halai bong video nai tani halai ang je content te upload khlai bong buji halai bong kuno interest manglak jodi ang ani Hindi ang weak means जों तो daily life use खाइ जागिया min bang sometime ang taman ai je one month thek ro manje phau mana to how ang I will try my level best. Okay, so friends asagna halai ang sanemusu jara ani channel tini katal nai please no ani channel subscribe khlai di like de share khlai di asagna hambai.